a short video of me feeding the birds. Something I have to do every day. Now, the different size containers are for a reason. Some are for birds, 2 in a cage. Others are for single birds. This here is for a single bird. That's a canary, plain canary, and this here is kind of a cockatiel, kind of a mix. This here is egg food, which they get kind of every second day, more or less. Alright. Now this little bit I'm giving now is for 2 days. Sorry, I feed them every second day, sorry. They did get greens now every other day as well, so they're never without any. This pair are already fed. She screams at me as soon as I come out looking for food. She's very friendly. I had her in the house for 5 years until it was time for her to leave. He's having about 3 years. Got him off a fellow YouTuber. There's a bit of broccoli now. The canaries love the broccoli. These are the hens now. This is mother and daughter from last year. The mother and one of her daughters. This here is 2 new canaries I got recently. They're 2 hens as well. So that's my breeding hens for this year. And there's the males. 1, 2, 3, and one behind me. There's 4. So 4 pairs. Alright, back to feeding. Basically, feed them every second day. Does my dog now bite me? Damn it. Damn it. These trays are for double, with 2 birds in a cage, and these are singles. These 2 here, right? A bit of egg food for good luck. Bob's your uncle, yeah? So basically that's it. Now I'm coming up to 3 minutes now, and as you know, a 3-minute video on YouTube will take about 2 hours to upload. So I'm gonna cut this short now. But basically that's it. That's the way to get fed. A bit of apple, a bit of broccoli, a couple of days a week, and they're happy enough. And hopefully I'll breed loads of birds this year, and I'll be able to put them on YouTube as well. So that's it for now. Bye bye.